Hi friends, welcome to engineering projects. Today our project is power factor correction meter. For this device we have used an Arduino UNO and the power factor measuring circuit, a step down transformer, an adapter and the capacitors and an AC load of resistive and inductive. So we have just switched on the resistive load, so we are getting the power factor as 1 or 0.099. So I would like to explain each and every part we have used for this project. So we have taken an Arduino UNO and the power factor power factor measurement circuit, which is LM324 and XOR gate 4030, and a transformer which is used to step down 220 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and the power supply is given to them LM324. And from that it is doing an XOR operation, and we have taking out and a square wave. From that we have taking an angle from which we using a cos angle, cos we are converting it to power factor. So we are getting the power factor as 0.99 for the resistive load. And for the current we have taken a small CT to measure the current, and for the voltage we have taken a voltage divider circuit, and these are the two capacitors for which it increases the power factor, and a small transformer as an inductive load. This is the 12 volts 1 ampere adapter to give the power supply to the Arduino. So I am switching on the switch. I have switched on to resistive load, so we are getting the power factor as 0.99. So I am changing it to inductive load. Once I change it to inductive load, you can see that my relay turned on, making the capacitor connect parallel to the load. So power factor is from 0.772, it increased it to 1 using the capacitors. This is the complete circuit for to measure the power factor and to correct it.